This week, there's something in the water. The Dodge brand continues to fuel horsepower-hungry Hemi lovers with its next special edition model of the most powerful SUV ever. The 2025 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat Hammerhead, with its dark blue Night Moves exterior color with hammerhead gray Laguna leather seats, is giving off deep sea vibes. The performance credentials under the hood make the Durango Hammerhead an apex predator on the pavement as well, with its 710 horsepower supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi Hellcat V8 engine. Some more standout features of this special edition include 20-inch satin carbon wheels, satin black painted hood, and dual silver and sepia accent stitching throughout the interior. If you're ready to get behind the wheel of the Dodge Durango Hammerhead, or any of the new Durango Special Edition models, head over to dodgegarage.com and access the Horsepower Locator to find one at a dealership near you. Dodge is off to the races in a new competition. The brand has entered the 24-25 Nitrocross series, with the introduction of 4 Dodge Hornet RT FC1X electric-powered race cars in the Group E class. It was an exciting start to the season this past weekend at Richmond Raceway, with the Dreyer and Reinbold racing team. The team is headlined by two-time and reigning Nitrocross Group E champion Robin Larson, who drove the Dodge Hornet RT FC1X race car to victory in a dominating performance in the season's opening round. Along with Larson, the DRR team includes Andreas Bakkerud, Fraser McConnell, and Leah Block, who will compete in the 10-round 2024-25 U.S. National Series, which features events on paved and dirt surfaces. We look forward to witnessing the performance capabilities of the Dodge Hornet RT and the DRR team this Nitrocross season. And finally, the company is making significant investments in 3 Michigan plants to further support Stellantis' multi-energy strategy. An accelerated retooling of Sterling Heights Assembly Plant will enable the upcoming launch of Ram 1500 in battery electric and range-extended electric variants alongside the internal combustion engine model. The Warren Truck Assembly Plant adds future electrified Jeep Wagoneer models to its production portfolio, and the Dundee Engine Plant investment supports battery tray production and beam machining to complement its gas engine assembly. These important investments focus on a multi-energy approach, spanning products, platforms, manufacturing, and supply chain, and contribute to the company's Dare Forward 2030 strategic plan. Those are this week's top stories on Stellantis Spotlight. Reporting for Stellantis Digital Media, I'm Peter Spezia.